Hi, I am back again with another valuable video. Tumi sogri koshi asat. How are you all? Watch my last video on the benefits on oranges. 10 lines on oranges. Today's topic Aito Vishoy, wild fruits and berries in Goa. In Goa, due to favorable weather, soil, and natural conditions, many wild fruits and berries thrive on hillsides and bushes. These fruits are particularly cherished during the summer months. Some grow on trees in the hills while others are found on large shrubs. They are most abundant from March to May. Additionally, these fruits are celebrated at the Konkan fruit festivals and are sold in local markets. Some of the main wild fruits and berries that can be found includes limbu, jamla, khajur, kanda, tsara, chura. They come in two colors, red and green. Chunna, chirputa, binda, bora, and few others. Wild fruits and berries found in Konkani. The first one, limbu, lemon. Second one, zamla, CZ, GM, cumenize. Third one, khajur, dates. Fourth one, kanda, wild blackberries. Fifth one, chara bukanania. Sixth one, tunna, wild white berries. Seventh one, chirputa, gooseberries. Eighth one, binda, garcinia indica. And the ninth one, bora jujube. Wild fruits and berries in Goa, and here is the conclusion. These local fruits are mainly found in hilly areas with some exceptions like jujube, zamla, bora and limbu. They are seasonal, meaning they are only available during certain times of the year. All the above fruits are often only known to local people who live in these areas or are frequent visitors and eaters. Friends, the fruits that I have listed here are in my site konkanilearn.com. Visit the site for more details. ही फळां चडशीं दोंगरार आनीक गांवांनी मेळटात. आतांच्या भुरग्यांक घोडे ही थोडीं फळां वळखूंक मेळची नात कित्याक तीं दोंगरार भोंवपाक वचनात. तर हो व्हिडिओ कसो लागला तुमकां? बरो आसलो? Tell me, how was this video? I hope it was valuable. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. You take care. Bye bye.